Oh, what do we have here? Police surprise group living in someone else's house.
A housing authority manager called police after spotting unauthorized people inside a vacant apartment, but one man refused to leave, refused to speak, and refused to follow the law.
Hey, how we doing, man? Real quick, this is DeWitt Ford with housing. Oh, y'all have, okay. Perfect.
Yes, sir. The reason I'm here, man, I heard that Mr.
That's a red flag right there.
I know last time I told you if he's not here, y'all can't be here.
Okay, yeah, he just told me that here, but I'll leave.
Yeah, and so he said you talked to him since he's been locked up?
Oh, yeah, we talked to him on the phone.
What did he say?
You know, he was like, you know, okay, that I leave him, you know, like, but I don't know, I think he's supposed to be getting out.
So you or just everybody else in there? I see somebody else back there too. Huh? Who were they?
What the fuck did he just say?
Who's his cousin? He got visiting. That's what I'm saying. Who is he visiting?
You? Yeah, they just visiting. But he just, they were just over here visiting.
Any of them barred?
No, I don't think so.
You mind we get the name and birthday?
Yeah, they don't mind giving to you.
That's cool with me. You asked for me, I appreciate it.
You want to borrow all them?
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
I know he's a good friend, but anybody else, I don't know them.
Like, so the guy that came to the door, you don't want him barred,
No,
but just the others.
yeah, he may be a good friend to look out for the place.
I got you.
Just go invite him, but yeah, Mr. Go him said he did invite him.
Hey, man, how you doing? Hey, real quick, is it you and who else is in here besides the gentleman we just talked to? Hey, boss, who else? Okay, is it just y'all two in here? You're Derek.
You met me last time.
Yeah, I did.
Red flag.
His girlfriend?
Yeah.
What's his girlfriend's name?
Yeah, we're gonna get her barred.
Just her, all three of them?
What the hell is going on in this place?
Definitely her as well. I don't know if she says anybody, but I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people in this people. I don't know one.
Okay.
So yeah. None of you are supposed to be here. And this is not here. You used to be our resident. You understand our rules. So my question is, why are y'all in this building? And how did y'all even get in? Because he was arrested last week, right? When? Before he got arrested?
The rest of the officer here.
Okay, awesome.
That's the reason why I'm here. So if I'm not here, I'm leaving in the corner today. And I was gonna lock the door anyway. He just got me. It's hot. Okay.
Yeah, you good. I'm not gonna bar you, but I don't know these people.
Why is everybody acting like they slow?
I know Miss, but I don't know these.
Well, you met me last time, Auntie.
Yeah, but he was going back and forth about who he invited. So I didn't know who he was supposed to be here.
10-4. We have contact.
I was intimidated. I'm sorry, they didn't get my name because he said I was good.
Okay. So what's your name?
I was sitting right here. I don't stay here. I just come over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I was leaving. I was actually leaving today, and I was going to up the house and jumping off the people.
To this unit?
Yes.
So how we gonna do this is
This whole little situation just got me completely lost. Everybody that's coming to the front door, they acting like they chromosome missing or something, or they acting like they a little slow. Maybe this is just an act. I don't know, but why would you be at somebody's house if you're not supposed to be there, especially if they're in prison? Now, I can tell y'all pretty much what didn't happen so far. This guy, the first guy that came to the door, you can tell he's a little off. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have a little brother that's autistic. I've been around so many health issues, bipolar, schizophrenia with family members. So you can kind of see something is wrong with him. But the rest of these people, they play pimping. There ain't nothing wrong with them. What they did was they made their way inside their person's house once they went to jail because they knew old buddy wasn't gonna do nothing about it. You know what I'm saying? Because he like his word. If you ever been around an autistic nonverbal person, you can kind of tell when somebody is in that lane. You get what I'm saying? And bro was barely talking. Like, his words was jumbled. Maybe he was nervous. I don't know. But this whole family in here, though, is just an entire big red flag. And the fact that the cop gonna say, "Oh, I met you before," I don't like that at all.
three be barred from over here, like from all of housing, or just over here?
Just
Broad Acres?
Broad Acres.
Okay, so they're wanting to bar all three from Broad Acres. Yeah. Mr. Not here to verify that y'all stay here.
No, I mean, I come over here every day. I don't stay here.
The question is,
Yeah, let's just not touch her, dude.
you come over here every day. He only can have visitors 3 days out the month. So me and him talked about that. That's when I told him the next time he came here and somebody was in his unit and he's not here, they're all getting barred. He said he understood.
I didn't know that. He didn't tell me that first.
Well,
I told him specifically you could not be on the property because y'all fight all the time.
So what is she doing that
I
in?
arrested you before.
Yeah. 244 apartment.
Oh damn, they remember the whole apartment, girl. You shouldn't even be nowhere over here.
I know you.
I wasn't even living here at that point. But I've been here since I got out.
What's up?
What am I supposed to do?
Yes, sir.
Need something?
Get the fuck out.
Just write that down for me. And can you put a good phone number on there?
You talking to them or me?
Just for
I just wanted you had your hand up. I just didn't know what was going on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Did y'all drive here, or what did y'all do?
I have the utmost respect for people that's bald and still let their hair grow and let it show a little bit. Like, I could never.
Just walk? Okay, I didn't know how y'all were going to be leaving.
The reason I'm out here, we got a bunch of neighbors complaining that people are coming and going out this unit. They don't know who y'all are.
I'm trying to control that shit.
I'm sorry.
And just,
He gave me, and I know I'm not supposed to be here, but I was trying to
And if it was just y'all two missing,
you too. You too, sir. Sir, we're going to need your name, too. Thank you.
He really trying to act like something's wrong with him.
If you don't know how to, can you write his name and date of birth down as well? What's your name?
So here's the deal. We got to get your information so we can borrow you. That's all it is. Is there something that we need to write down?
Why he look like a great value version of Mike Epps?
Or anything like that? Like, we're just trying to make sure.
Yeah, phone number too if you got it. If you know it, it'd be great.
how's your brother doing, Miss?
I ain't talking to him.
I can see the cost for it.
Back with him, I'm sure. Yeah, he's a not like ass.
Who did it?
Well, listen for it. If you can,
Here, I'll give you. Let me give you another page.
I was
Let me
just
turn.
packing my stuff up.
That's fine.
I'll keep it with you.
I'll just go the rest of the day.
What the hell is Red Short's problem? I don't know why he trying to put on this act, bro, but we know you not slow. Like, you trying to act like it, but we see the picture, bro. Like, you doing this a little too hard. Like, you know what I'm saying? When somebody is like that, they don't do too much acting. You can tell by how they conversate. You, on the other hand, you trying to act like something wrong so you don't get kicked out. But that shit not finna help you at all. And you need to stop playing with people that really have disabilities and really, you know what I'm saying, go through stuff like this, because you know your ass wasn't supposed to be there, and she knows she not supposed to be there because she be fighting with the person that live there all the time. It look like y'all ain't going to jail if y'all don't stop playing.
Stuff you got here?
Yeah, I just got a bag.
He told me he was going to ask me to move on. I told him absolutely not because of the history. But I'm sure you've still been here regardless. Yeah. I'll give you the rest of the day. As long as you're going by tomorrow,
It's not gonna work.
Whenever you leave, please lock up.
Just tell me what your name is.
I'll leave at 6 o'clock.
What your name is?
I want to know.
So,
What's your name?
He still acting.
What is your name?
Just so we can get the key back to Mr.
So here's the deal. So we're gonna get your information. What's gonna happen is we're gonna
Your ass going to jail. That's what's finna happen.
lock you up for obstruction. I got
What's your name?
So stop playing games with us. What's your name?
Yeah, he about to go to jail.
What is your name?
No, we need to know your name.
Your name.
What did your mama name you, man?
We just need your information for the bar because you're making a bigger deal out of this than it has to be. What's your name? Because we really don't want to do this right now. Then why?
He looked like a Darius McCurry. That's what his name looked like.
Then why will you not give us your information?
We're trying to figure out who you are. You don't know who you are? You
Hell
don't know
no.
what your name is?
Nope.
Do you know what day of the week it is?
What day?
is it? What's today? I'm not asking you if you have a phone. I'm asking you if you know what day it is.
Somebody please tell me what it is.
No, you need to know. Or you may need to go to the hospital. I don't know.
He
What have you took? What have you taken your drugs?
Do you have any mental delays?
he probably not playing.
Miss, do you know what his name is?
No, I don't know anything. I don't even really know him. I just try to put
So and you just in the house with him.
That's,
You a goddamn lie. So you just in the house with a random stranger that you don't know nothing about. You don't know his name, his date of birth, nothing. You don't know nothing about this man. And he over here trying to act like he ain't got it all together. Come on, bro. You got to do way better acting than that. And they ain't living, you hear me? But they ain't even been to jail that long. They ain't comfortable.
Anybody? What's the other guy's name back there?
I don't know. I know his face. I remember he was the light skinned skinny guy last time I got here. And Mr. vouched for the other guy.
And he in here in another man's house with his shirt off.
What is this guy's name?
This one right here?
What's his name?
I don't know his name. I don't know my
What's the
So nobody don't know his name. He got felonies and warrants.
That's every light skinned person in that.
Right.
So here, I'm trying not to take you to jail, but okay. Then I need to know what your name is, or I'm just gonna take you to jail and they can fingerprint you at the jail. It doesn't matter. Which one you want to do? You want to tell me what your name is, or you just want to go to jail? No, you just tell it to me. Speak.
It's real simple.
Tell it. Tell me what your name is. What is it?
So I'm trying to figure out.
No.
Well, the problem is when we found the
10-4.
methamphetamine.
Sir, come back.
Mr. just left the court. Now we found Mr.
Because you're about to go to jail with me.
We had left for probably about 30 minutes. You said you could stay there. You go.
No.
Yeah. You don't know your name?
I don't know who you are.
We're the police. Come on. This is ridiculous.
See it?
Yo, man, get his ass.
Put your hands behind your back. No, we're done. You don't want to tell us who you are, then you're going to jail. No, Blake, this is ridiculous, dude. This is so stupid. It's too hot for this crap. Put your hand behind your back.
Keep it behind your back.
Now it doesn't matter if you tell us your name. You're still going to jail. This is ridiculous.
Yes, sir. Now, that's all we're asking, sir.
No, hold on. Gotta double out these up.
Oh shit, he can talk now. Oh, now your ass can talk. You was just mumbling a minute ago. Now you can talk, and you talking about you not mad. Come on, man. You shouldn't even have your, why would you want to have your shirt off in another man's house? First off, let's start there. Secondly, you really thought playing a little slow was going to help you in this situation? No. Your ass going to jail.
Stupid, dude.
So stupid.
Golly, man.
Man.
Yeah, sir. I don't know. You don't know what your name is?
Yes, sir, I do.
Well, what is your name?
Man, who's ready to talk to me?
Me.
Okay.
What's your name?
All right, let's go.
Let's roll.
Let's go.
Can you do me a favor?
What do you want?
Your neighbor's calling in.
Not you.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, you're trying to help me.
Yes, sir.
You're not doing a good job right now.
Sorry.
I understand.
So let's go ahead and go to the car. We're just going to go ahead and take you to jail. Let's go. We're walking.
Now tell me my name.
Go.
I don't know what your
We're
name is.
walking. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's
I
go.
will figure it out.
You'll sit at the window and figure it out. Let's go.
They gonna have your ass in there waiting for a long time too.
Look forward to losing which one?
You're being a little bit difficult.
So
Will
let's
you
go
just
ahead and walk
to my
out.
car? Okay, I will. All right, thank you, sir.
Let's go.
Multiple people in your unit.
That's very kind of you.
I'm sorry. Excuse me. 9 Central. We're 1095 on now.
You sure, man? I just want to make sure you're straight.
That's fine.
We're just going to walk back to
Let's go. And then do you want me to transport or you?
You're doing a good job. Walk to my car.
That was good. I know y'all got like 3 or 4
Nobody's
or 5
acting.
okay. Weapons were unless you
Why does this officer look like Johnny Appleseed?
anything else. Are you acting?
Let's just go get in my car.
Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on. Let's go.
That's a good. You're trying to cooperate with me, right? All right, then let's walk to my car.
I know his head on fire in that sun.
You don't know.
Okay. Well, what'll happen is until you want to provide your information or they fingerprint you, you're going to sit at the jail until you figure it out. So you can make it easy now. Tell us who you are. You're still going to jail, but at least you won't have to sit there longer than you have to.
He want to go to jail.
So it's your choice. Whatever you want to do.
Athens Clark.
You tried to tell me your name?
No, you didn't. You know what?
He gotta have
Live
warrants.
scans over at, I don't know where it's at, but we could run him off live scan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You really don't remember what your name is? Okay. Can you tell it to me?
Sir.
What is it?
Who's ready?
I'm ready.
Being ready, sir.
So what is your name?
So bad.
You don't know what it is?
This guy here.
You're trying, but you can't remember?
I'm asking you, can you remember? Hey, just go ahead and run their names. I ain't fooling with this no more. I ain't fooling with this nonsense anymore. You're being difficult.
Well,
You're being difficult.
hey, can I do you one favor? No. Who's this man violating my rods?
What if he's really out faking though?
Oh, I got him right here. I got his ID card right here. Said you didn't have an ID on you.
Who's really tough?
No, you good. Thank you. I'm gonna roll the window down so you can get some AC, okay? Go ahead and have a seat for me.
You the real one.
Cool. Let's go ahead and have a seat, okay? So we can get you out of the hot sun. Go ahead and slide back. Gotta get your feet in.
I'm not ready for that.
No, I'm just gonna roll the window down. Let's go ahead and slide back, please.
I will.
Thank you.
I will.
I appreciate that.
Did they ever figure out what his name was, or was it it was on his ID card?
All right, sir. Let's go ahead and step on out, okay? Go ahead and step on out, please. Come on. We gotta go in there so we can go get you booked in. Let's go, Mr. Come on. Do what? This is the Clark County Jail. Since you're under arrest, you gotta be in jail, so let's come on.
Let's go to jail.
Let's go. Do what? Help you with what? I'm trying to just get you to step out of the car. You can do it. Come on. Come on. I've been really nice to you considering you've been difficult with me. Come on. I'll be nice to you. You need to work with me and step out of the car, please.
Well, okay, what the fuck was he charged with? Criminal trespass, enters onto property after notice given, obstruction of a Leo. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.